So good morning all of you TY BSc Physics student. We have to continue here the third chapter, which is considered as free electron and band theory of metals. And in this lecture we want to see here the density of states in 3 dimension. Last lecture we have to already see here so energy eigenvalue in 3 dimensional space. So that consider as E n is equal to pi square h cross square divided by twice ml square into n square. So that is considered as the energy eigenvalue of the n state, which is directly proportional to the square of the quantum number, which is n, and which is considered in the 3 dimensional space. So that n square is equal to nx square plus ny square plus nz square. So if we want to calculate the density of state in 3 dimensional, so that is considered as the energy range between the E and E plus dE. So that is, we have to consider in 3 dimensional space, consider two sphere which is considered as the two separate radii, and that two concentric sphere which is considered as the this radius n and n plus dn. So that first which is considered as the radius n, and second sphere radius which is considered as this n plus dn. So in the n space which is shown in the figure. So that is considered in already we have to see here, so that nx, ny and nz, nx, ny and nz which having the positive integer value for all corresponding the coordinate which is represent and the energy state, and thus all point of the sphere of the surface or surface of sphere of radius n, which is considered as n square is equal to nx square plus ny square plus nz square, will have same energy, So that is consider point, for example, so that we have to taking nx value is 1, ny value is 1 and nz value is 1. So that value of the energy which come here, so that the 3 times of pi square h cross square divided by twice ml square, and this part which is going to we have to consider in the generate eigenvalue or degenerate eigenvalue. These are the new very interesting point which is C will be further when we have to study in the quantum mechanics subject. So that only understanding point here, the all points on the surface of the sphere of the radius n, so that all points having the same energy value, and that number of state having the energy value which is between the E and E plus dE, which is given by, so that this value which is between, which is considered as z of E dE, is 1/8 part of the 4 pi n square dn. So why we want to see here this part which is considered as the 1/8 part, because of we have to consider here, so that factor 1/8, so that 1/8 is due to the availability of 1 octant of the sphere because of the positive integers of nx, ny and nz. So that is mean what is considered as, so for example we have to see here the structure in the 3 dimensional cubic structure. We have to see here, sorry, for in if we consider in the 3 dimensional space that cube structure which is considered as here. So that point will have shown here. Okay, so for example this type of cubic structure, and we have to consider that points of the corner of each cube, which is considered as total 8 points, or lattice point which is occur at the corners of the this cube. So that's why we have to consider that nearly lattice vector, or that corner of the atom, which represent the total 8 point of the volume of the shape of this cube. So that's why this is total volume of the cubic of this system. So that 8 atoms of the corner of the each cube. So that's why this factor which is coming for here. So that 1 by 8 into 4 pi n square dn. And if we doing calculation for this point, so that is considered here. So this z of e dE, which is considered as this 4 ones are 4 and 4 to the 8. So that factor which is considered as pi by 2 into n square dn, pi by 2 into n square dn. And if we want to see the value of this n square with the help of the energy eigenvalue formula, which is considered as here, so that we have to consider here the point. So that energy eigenvalue, which is nothing but, so that E is equal to pi square h cross square divided by twice ml square into n square, correct? So if we want to calculate the value of n square, so that is given by this n square is equal to twice ml square into E divided by this pi square into h cross square. So this is the value of this n square, and if we take the square root of this both side, so taking square root of both sides, so this value will become here. So that n is equal to L upon pi under root of twice m divided by h. So this which is taken as here, so this twice m whole power 1 by 2. Okay, this L square pi square h cross square, so that value which is nothing but L upon pi h cross into e to the power 1 by 2. So for example we have to consider this is the equation number third. This is the equation number third. So that n is equal to twice m whole power half L upon pi h cross e to the power 1 by 2. And this value which is take place in this equation for n square, we have to putting value is there. Before the putting, we have to take the differentiation of this term. So we have to consider here, so derivative of this point which is considered as here, okay. So this is the value of n, that is twice m power 1 by 2 L upon pi h cross e to the power half. And if we take the differentiation of this term, so that is dn, we have to get here, so that dn is equal to twice m whole power half l upon pi h cross. This value is at it is, so that is l upon pi h cross twice m whole power 1 by 2. And differentiation of this term, which is considered as this half factor which is comes on side, so this half which is here, and e to the power half minus 1, so that is 2 1 the 2, so 1 minus 2 is minus 1 divided by 2, so that's this factor which is considered as e to the power minus 1 by 2, e to the power minus 1 by 2 into dE. So this is equation number 3rd, and this is considered as the equation number 4th. So this is n value, this is dn value, so that value, so that equation number 3 and equation number 4 which is taking in the value in the equation number 2. So substituting the equation, which is 3 and 4 in equation 2. Okay, so that two equation which is considered as z of e dE, z of e dE is equal to pi by 2 as it is into n value, that n value which is considered as twice m whole power 1 by 2, twice m whole power 1 by 2 l upon pi h cross e to the power half. And we want to place value here n square, so that n square value which is considered as twice m l square divided by pi square h cross square into e. So this value which is put in this equation, so that we'll get twice m into l square upon pi square h cross square into e, into we have to putting here dn value, so that dn value is nothing but twice m whole power 1 by 2 l upon pi h cross e to the power 1 by 2. So if we putting this value, so we have to get here, so this equation which is considered as l upon pi h cross twice m whole power 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 e to the power minus 1 by 2 dE. So this is the substituting this equation 3 and 4 in equation in equation 2. So we have to get this equation, so that we have to calculate for this value. So we have to given, so z of e is given as this pi by 2 and this 1 by 2, so that factor which is given here pi by 4. Again we have to consider here l square pi square h cross square and this l upon pi h cross, so that value which is given as l upon pi h cross whole cube. Now we have to consider the factor this e and this e to the power 1 by 2, so that this is 1 upon under root of e and this e, so that is remaining e to the power 1 e to the power half value, and this twice m as it is here, so that this twice m and this twice m whole power 1 by 2 and this is whole power 1, so that is considered as 1 plus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2. So that is considered as twice m whole power 3 by 2 here. Again remaining factor that e and e to the power minus 1 by 2. So that is remaining factor which is considered as e to the power 1 by 2. E to the power 1 by 2 and this dE which is as it is. Okay. So this is the value of Z of V dA. We have to again deep calculation. So we have to term here. So we have to see that here the terms will become here. So this Z of V dE which is nothing but, so this pi upon 4 here L cube divided by this pi cube, and we want to write this h cross cube in under root of 3 by 2. So what happens here? So this is considered as twice m divided by, if we want to this h cross square which is placed in this value on whole power 3 by 2. So this, so for example consider as h cross square whole power 3 by 2. So this calculation will become this 3 get this 2 get cancelled, and remaining factor this h cross cube. So this h cross cube factor I have taking place in the bracket, so that value will become here. So that twice m divided by h cross square whole power 3 by 2. So this factor is going, this is going, this is going. Remaining factor e to the power 1 by 2 into dE. So this equation we have to get in terms of this. If we see here, so this pi is again here, this pi is again here, and if we this pi and this pi square if we get cancelled, so what is remaining here? So that L cube upon 4 pi square, L cube upon 4 pi square. L cube upon 4 pi square, this value we have to get here. After that we have to see here the point which have become here. So these terms which is in terms of h, these terms in terms of h cross. Okay, and if we doing calculation, so we have to see here, so that h cross or h cross which is nothing but h upon 2 pi, and if we get h cross cube value, so that is considered as h cube divided by, so 2 cube is 8 and this is considered as pi cube, and this value which is put in this equation, so that equation will become here. So Z of E dE is equal to L cube divided by this 4 pi square into twice m divided by this value which is in terms of h, and I have to write in terms of this value in terms of h cross, and we have to write here in terms of h. So that value which is considered here h square whole power 3 by 2, this h cube in terms of this 3 by 2, so that h square here, and this 8 pi cube which is value will gain here, so that is 8 pi cube. Again this factor as remaining e to the power 1 by 2 dE. So again see here, so this pi square and this pi cube value get cancelled. This 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, so that value will become here twice pi L cube, twice pi L cube into twice m divided by h square whole power 3 by 2 into e to the power 1 by 2 dE. So this is the value of ZE dE. This is the value of, so twice pi L cube twice m divided by h square whole power 3 by 2 e to the power half dE. Okay, so this value which is given in terms of the h. So we want to calculate again. Next step we have to consider as here. Okay, so we have to consider this value in terms of h, or h is nothing but the Planck's constant. So again we have to see here, so that point L cube which is nothing but the volume, L cube which is nothing but the volume, so that putting this L cube which is volume, so let us consider that V is equal to L cube. V is equal to L cube, that is the volume of the box. The volume of the box. Okay, and this dE term and this dE term which is get cancelled, so remaining factor which is given as here, so this dE get cancelled, this dE get cancelled, and putting replacement of L cube is V, so the equation will become here Z of E is equal to twice pi V, twice pi V into twice m divided by h cross divided by h square whole power 3 by 2 into e to the power 1 by 2 into e to the power 1 by 2, and this is the equation of density of state in this 3 dimension. This is the equation of density of state in 3 dimension. Okay, so that is considered as, so density of state in 3 dimension which is directly proportional to e to the power 1 by 2, e to the power 1 by 2. And if we see the graphical representation, so for example graphical representation in 1D, so that is considered as this density of state which is considered as Z of E, which is considered is here. So in 1 dimension, so that is considered as in 1 dimension, so consider density of state in 1D which is given as, or which is directly proportional to e to the power minus 1 by 2. So this graph which is shown as like this. If density of state which is considered as in 3 dimensional, so that graph which is considered as Z of E into with respect to energy state, so that is considered as this graph which is given as like this, so that is depends upon, so density of state which is directly proportional to e to the power 1 by 2, this density of state that is Z of E in 1 dimensional, so that is directly proportional to e to the power minus 1 by 2. And so this is considered is 1D, this is considered in 3 dimensional, and if we consider this 2 dimensional, so that Z of E with respect to that E, so that is considered in So this density of state which is constant, so that density of state which is directly proportional to e to the power 0, e to the power 0. So that's why this is the behavior with constant graph. So this is the density of state with respect to graphical representation of one dimensional, three dimensional, that factor which is depends upon e to the power 1 by 2, and in two dimensional, so that is e to the power 0. So that is graphical representation of like this. So this is the idea about the density of state in three dimensional. So that is according to this model, so that electron which is behave like a system of the Fermi particle, which is considered in the next lecture. So how it particle which is behavior like this, and hence obey the Fermi Dirac distribution, and how it obey Fermi Dirac distribution, which is also in the next lecture. So thanking of you.